Hi guys. So first of all, I want to thank all of you for sharing my video and helping me get in touch with Flipkart. So the latest update is that they've taken the phone away from me. They've told me that they'll be filing an FIR to figure out how this went wrong, but I doubt. I've tried contacting them for more information about it, and they haven't told me anything. So I doubt anything will happen, but I will be getting my money back by 4th of November. So that is the final update. Let's hope they keep their word. The next point I want to make is right now there's something known as the big Diwali sale coming up, which is like, Flipkart's big billion day sale with a different word in the middle. So that Diwali sale is going to be a lot like this. I feel like there'll be people who will be getting scammed and who will be not receiving genuine products. So I want to tell you a bit about what I learned from my experience and what you should do next time you buy from either Flipkart or Amazon. So, if you buy anything that is above 25,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees in price, you should 100% use a credit card. You should not use a debit card at all. So, in my case, I just graduated college and I haven't received a credit card yet. Like, I just started working. So, I didn't have it. I had to, you know, save up all my stipends, save up all my internship money. And then I was finally able to afford an iPhone 11 Pro. Is this recording? Yeah. Okay, so you should either ask your parents to get you your phone, or you should probably there are multiple apps you can use which can issue your credit card pretty quickly. I'm pretty sure what SBI has something with Amazon, and you can use a lot of credit cards on Flipkart. I think Axis Bank has some pretty good deals, and you can get their credit cards pretty easily. So you should probably apply for that if you're going to be shopping, because I understand that if you want to buy from Flipkart, because COVID's going on, not a lot of people. I recommend people should not go out. They should stay at home. That's one of the major reasons I didn't go out and buy my own phone. I didn't want to expose myself, so that's why I decided to order online. But I want to say one thing. We as Indians in this country, like we as consumers in this country, we really chase after deals and discounts way too much. Like, just for small monetary gains, like we would, if you want to buy something, rather than going by experience on which vendor provides us good service, that could either be your local store, which always has been providing you good phones, or some e-commerce websites which you have good experience with. We just go on every platform we have, and we try and find the best deal we can. And we really I feel that we should really change that mentality, because if we keep following that mentality, companies like Flipkart will keep exploiting us by giving us deals that are too good to be true. So for this Diwali, I recommend you do not follow that, and you please shop safely, stay safe, and if you're buying Apple, buy from Apple Store. Thank you. Yeah, so there's one more thing. I want to talk about what all I had to do to get my refund from Flipkart initiated. So, first of all, Flipkart does not care about its image in the public. Like, it gives absolutely zero Fs about what you think of them or what the general public thinks of them. You could tweet at them all day, you can message them, you can use Facebook, LinkedIn, whatever you want. They will not respond to you. They do not care what you think of them. And so using social media is really difficult to actually get in touch with them. I was lucky. A man named Mr. Samir Mitha from Digit.in was kind enough to pick up my story and share it, so that Flipkart actually cared a bit about what was happening. So I got the day after that article was posted, I got about 7 calls from Flipkart employees, helping me with the process, getting the process started, and etc. etc. Even someone from the social media team contacted me. He called me like 5 times. That guy, like, I don't know what's going on there. Okay. Next thing, if you do buy online, always record you receiving the product as well as unboxing the product. Uh, in case you don't have the time or the energy to make YouTube videos, file an FIR. Just file an FIR. That's the way I was able to start my process also, because I knew some lawyers, and they got in touch with Flipkart, and they told them that if you don't start this process today, we'll be filing an FIR, and that is when they actually started. Please file an FIR. If anything happens to you, don't think about it. Just do it. Nike. ठीक है. And other than that, दैट क्या कर सकते हो तुम? और तो यार बहुत कम चीज़ें हैं. एंड बेस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू इज हैशटैग वोकल फॉर लोकल and call up your local store, electronic store, whatever you want to buy, and buy it from them. Don't buy it from Flipkart or Amazon. Thank you. Bye bye.